Money is the easiest thing to get, but we break the laws that control money. Number one, first law of money is knowing that God put a covenant for money. Money does not respond to prayer. Money will only respond to contracts. When God will respond to your praise of money, it's an act of benevolence, an act of charity. Remember your God, for it is He that gives you power to get wealth, not wealth. He gives you the ability to get money. Number two, money is a measurement of value. It's not a medium of exchange. Your biggest problem is you're looking for money. Raise your value and money will look for you. Number three, money is subject to intelligence. The one you naturally acquire, if it doesn't improve, your money will stay there. The Bible says, prosper as your soul prospers. Your soul, that's where your mind is. The Bible is saying you can't move faster than your brain to have money. Whatever level of brain activity, money activity. So you are broke because you are stupid.